Tonight in the next episode of our Ark Cooking Series, I'll be making cooked prime meat. And I'm here at Walmart and we're gonna be getting some ingredients. Come on. Whew, it's chilly. I'm gonna try to find a piece of chicken with a bone in it. And I'm also gonna get some brown sugar because the image, I'm gonna try to make room for it right here. It's, the chicken's golden when they cook it. So I need brown sugar. Come on. It's freezing. Hi, we're in Walmart now. Okay. Enough of that. That it? No, we can keep going. We are going to get the chicken leg. I think I mentioned that outside. I want to get one with a bone in it. Oh, here we go. Chicken drumsticks. So what we're gonna do is, I'm going to cut half of this off so it looks like the picture on the game. Brown sugar it, fry it on a high temperature, and then we're gonna bake it the rest of the way. So the inside doesn't get cooked really, but the outside does. We still gotta get the brown sugar. Come on. Oh, light brown. So look at this. That looks so good.
Yeah.
Great value. There we go. Subscribe for more. Alright guys, we're home now. So, I have my chicken drumsticks and my brown sugar. These are going to be the only two ingredients we use for the raw prime meat chicken. So that being said, we're gonna get right into it. I already washed my hands, so you don't have to worry about that. That's not very smart. Cutting that up towards myself. No. Smells okay. So we are gonna eat the remaining chicky drumsticks for supper tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm a little lazy, we're gonna throw 4 of these drumsticks in here. Ooh, that looks like a good one. It's mine. That looks like a good one to use for the video right there. That's a meaty some gun. Actually, you kind of want to save that one for tomorrow, but that one actually looks like the game. Look at this. We could have got a more piece. Come on. Look at that. A better piece, I mean. That was actually a gross sound.
That was very gross.
So, actually, since this already kind of looks like the game's meat, this is kind of crazy. I don't even need to cut it. So, I can just go straight to putting a little bit of brown sugar on it. Now, I want this to have a nice golden look to it. So, we're briefly gonna sprinkle some of that on there. Dang, this might actually be pretty good. So it has that golden image, like the video game. Because it's prime meat, right? You always want to spray the pan away from the oven, because if you're spraying down here, you're getting flammables all over your oven. Not really, it's just going to be nasty. Okay, so we can bring this in close. And I'm going to show you the skillet. I'm going to take it as high as it goes. Ooh. The lens. Yeah, the lens is all foggy. Hold up.
There we go.
Yeah, we're gonna let this sear. We don't want it to cook. The intention is not for it to cook here. It's to sear it. And then it's gonna be slow cooked in the oven for about an hour, 40 minutes maybe. Oh yeah, you hear that? Oh yeah. Woo! It was hot. But you've got to be done. Ah! Yeah, I put my hand on the corner. Woo. That's prime meat. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, that's not prime, that's fried. Okay. Yikes. Okay. Usually these kind of things turn out better. Well, this is what we have so far of our cooked prime. It's not that bad, right? once it's baked.
Too bad.
All right, now that she's in the oven, we're gonna cook her for about 40 minutes to an hour on low. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. I haven't seen this yet. I haven't flipped it. This is gonna be my first look at the cooked prime meat. Not bad. Actually solid. It looks like something you'd get at a Renaissance fair. What? What? Speak up.
Renaissance fair.
That sounded disrespectful. I apologize.
See what I go through?
Hey. Wow. Bring it in, Cut. Look at this. Cooked prime. Wait, let's bring it in the light. Not bad. This has got... We can't really see it. Hold up. There we go, baby.
There it is.
Yeah. Look at that. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Really does.
Should we take a fork and a knife and see?
Yeah.
You're high if you think I'm doing more dishes.
I ain't doing.
Not bad. It's slow cooked, just like I imagined. Look, I'm impressed. Nice cook. Nicely cooked. Huh. I'll be. I'm surprised, aren't you?
It's pretty good.
That looked pretty bad earlier. Wait. Not bad. Not bad. We'll have this for supper tomorrow. Dinner. All right. So, what did you guys think of our next installment in our Ark IRL Cooking Series, huh? Would you eat it? Would you give it a rating? Would you like and subscribe? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think.
Good stuff. Prime meat.
Look at this animal. What are we cooking next? Hi, Riptar. Bye, guys. Have a good day.